Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add 3D motion in a photo using Photoleap. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Photoleap app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the top, you're gonna see options like Edit Photo, Generate AI Tools, Avatars, and if you scroll a little bit, you're gonna find Animate option. Tap on Animate. Now select the photo that you want to add 3D motion to. Once you do that, in couple seconds, you're gonna see few options at the bottom of your screen like Animate, Element, Overlay, Effect, Sky, etc. You're gonna have to swipe left. Then at the second last option, you're gonna see 3D motion. Now go ahead and select the type of 3D motion that you want to add. Once you do that, go ahead, look if you like it, adjust it from the given line right above the effects. Once you do that and you're satisfied, just go ahead and tap on save from the top right corner of your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you add 3D motion to a photo using Photoleap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.